Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can contact GoDaddy Support. So let's begin. First, go to the GoDaddy website. Just search it on your browser and click this first link over here. So on this page, you can click Help or Contact Us on the top to ask for support. Let's go first on Help over here. Click it. On the Help Center, you can basically search for things you might want to know in GoDaddy. And if you scroll down, you can see all the modules and articles over here that might spark your interest. Then on the top, you can see Learn over here. On the tab, you can watch how-to videos and how to get started on GoDaddy. Next, you can join their community, and this might also help you to know more about GoDaddy by reading the same questions from other members of the community. Lastly, if you want to contact a support agent, just hover and click Contact Us over here. Good thing about GoDaddy is that they have a 24/7 hotline to answer all your questions. You can chat with them via this website or through WhatsApp Messenger. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.